Marak and many leaders, they have supported a memorandum to create the separate Garo state. And again on 22 January 2020, when our Prime Minister was in Shillong, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, our leaders again reminded the creation of separate statehood for the Garo people on 20th of June, on 22 of January 2022. They have again submitted the memorandum. And again on 26th of January 2011, two leaders from the Garo and from the Khasi giantess, led by Wah Hopings from Lindo and led Clifford and Marak, they have submitted a joint memorandum to create the separate Khasi and Garo state. In memorandum, they have stated that under Article 371J, that Khasi Jaita state should be created. Under Article 371J, and again on Article 371K, our leaders have stated that Garo's separate states should be created based on linguistic line. My dear leaders and my dear Garo peoples, all the leaders who are coming from different places, I would like to share that Garo people is not demanding the separate state, not because of communal with my beloved, with our beloved Khasi Jaintia people. But our leaders has shown the path to separate the Meghalaya state with mutual love and respect to preserve and protect the identity and culture of the Garo people and the Khasi people. Therefore, I am so happy today the leaders from Khasi Hills, including political leaders, the NGO leaders, they are here with us to support our movement. I am very thankful to the President of NFNS who come from far place to support our movement. This is the blessings from the God. I am very happy the leaders from Karbi Anglong and from Tura, they come here to support us in our movement. May God bless them. Lastly, I want to share that when I was the Deputy CEM in GHADC, to seek the public referendum and to seek the referendum of the House of District Council, I moved a resolution to create the separate state for the Garo people. Then we unanimously resolved and sent it to the government of India and sent it to the government of Meghalaya that Garo people want the separate statehood based on linguistic line that we had resolved in the district councils. Thank you very much. Natila, agana nanggabarang namen banga, ansinga tentang dergebarang namei kupatsianggen uniman ansin namei kenatemna, ala nakye ansin jati mandiran pun makmoleska. Yeah, separate statehood demand ka anira. Not only for the leaders of GHSMC, not only for the leaders of Garo National Council, not only for the peoples who come here today, it's for all the peoples who are residing in the Garo Hills. Beyond the political parties, yang mena support kachina. All the political party ni leader ko, lokma, soldier, aru bintang community ni bergerak. Atsu mix community orang ko support kachina mula. Bintang manca, ya program ko organize kali na, GHADC ni bergerak ko mela. Bintang manca sini bergerak panikman siat Marak. Iko matela ya initiative ko rana. Atsika sumtang bang China, atsika cewek bang China. Thank you matela. Kublai Jai Hind.